Hi friends. Okay, so today we are talking about windows. So there's wood windows, there's vinyl windows, there's aluminum windows, there's lead windows, right? Those are like older homes that have the lead windows. So lots of different types of windows out there. And keep in mind, windows have a lifespan on them, just like everything. There's a time period where the window's good, and then there's a time period where it's at the end of its life. And how do you know? So how you know is typically the seal is blown if it's a 2-pane window, and you'll see condensation or it's foggy in between the 2 panes, and you're cleaning and you're cleaning and you're like, I could not get this clean, probably because the seal's blown. So if that's the case and you're a seller, please contact me. I will send you my favorite glass service providers to help get those windows fixed before you go on the market. If you are a buyer, just know if I'm working with you, I'm already counting those blown seals as we're walking through a house to see how many blown seals there are and how much that's gonna cost you. So again, if you have questions on windows, give me a call. I am not a window expert. I just know a lot about homes. Windows are in homes, and so it's part of my calculation when I'm helping advising sellers and buyers on best strategy. All right, thanks so much.